My name is Kylie Peterson. Today I'm gonna eat a habanero pepper. Right now I am somewhere where these like to grow, and I'm gonna do the challenge. In 1, 2, 3. Help! It burns. It burns. My ears are ringing. Good water. I need water.